The Debbie de Sena Auditorium serves as a place to hold performances, assemblies, meetings, and the like to both the students and the faculty of the Arizabal. However, because of some problems that we have noticed, as architects, our team was tasked to analyze the current layout plan of the auditorium, identify the adjustments needed to be made, and to suggest possible solutions and recommendations. The group decided to remove parts of the botanical garden, the TLE Computer 1, and a portion of the grade school computer room in order to expand the area of the DDA. As compared to its old area of 420 square meters, it is now 657 square meters, leaving the group with more room to work with in order to improve and maximize its space, use, and function. With the new area, the group divided it into two portions, Part 1 containing the stage, backstage, the audience, and the control room, and Part 2 containing the dressing rooms.
Some of the problems we've encountered in order to improve the DDA. First problem we've encountered are the number of chairs.
The old DDA was able to seat a capacity of 307 people, not even enough for one batch to fit.
The number of chairs can't fit one batch, so we decided to add the number of chairs.
The new DDA will be able to seat a capacity of 488 people. The space for the side seats should have the dimensions of 8 by 15 meters and have a uniform walkway on 3 of the sides, with 14 square meters of space left for the chairs. The chairs would have a length of 0.9 meters and a width of 0.5 meters, addressing both problems of being too crowded and not having enough space, as well as the temperature problem, as it gets too hot when the students are too close to one another. With these dimensions, each of the side seats are able to seat 192 students, together being able to seat 384. For the center seats, with the same length and width for the chairs, it would be able to seat 104 students. All in all, the new DDA would be able to seat 488 students. In addition to this, with the walkways to provide easier transits and a bigger amount of space between students, it would help regulate the airflow as well, solving two problems at once.
The second problem we've encountered are the pillars. Some of these pillars were blocking the view of some students, so what they decided to do is to take these pillars out and just add more support to the seating. The expansion of the DDA, we realized that the stage was too small. To really accommodate performances and talks, so we decided to make it bigger.
The area of the old stage was 80 square meters. Our group had decided to expand the stage in order for it to accommodate bigger performances. For the new stage, it now has an area of 135 square meters.
We realized that the dressing rooms were too small to accommodate a number of people, so we took out the whole botanical garden and the part of the tele and computer room to expand the DDA.
The old dressing rooms were only 32 square meters. Taking out parts of the botanical garden, the tele room, and the grade school computer room, we were able to expand it to 117 square meters. Since the stage was expanded in order to accommodate bigger performances, it would come with a larger amount of actors, thus calling for a need to expand the dressing rooms as well. The area allotted for the dressing rooms was split into two, each dressing room having a length of 9 meters and a width of 6.5 meters.
We expanded the DDA and added a whole new portion, which is in the DDA Part 2 in our solutions. It contains the bigger versions of the dressing rooms, with comfort rooms as well.
The comfort rooms were added for the convenience of the actors. Each comfort room of 3 meters by 3 meters are found in each dressing room. Other improvements done were the expansion of the backstage area, allotting 1.5 allowances behind the stage and in front of the stage, and a bigger control room.
Rounded off the values to whole numbers as 0.1 to 0.5 wouldn't make much of a difference.